Beef is burning our earth. Hi, I'm Katie Daly, and I'll be presenting. I'm in the class ENC 1101. It is your own individual right to choose whether to eat beef or meat or anything you want to consume. But it is also important to know what the effects are of what you are consuming. Beef has had the most harmful impacts on the environment. One of the reasons that it has been the most impactful is because the cattle release bad greenhouse gases like methane and carbon dioxide. Methane has had the most harmful outcome though. This is because methane traps heat in the atmosphere, which creates major climate changes. This can even lead to global warming, which is an issue that is avoided by a lot of people. Raising cattle for food, though, does have a benefit, surprisingly. This is that they can graze on lands that are unable to produce crops, so they can make use of that land. While this is a benefit, it does not go far in helping the environment. Many businesses that raise cattle cut down forests to be able to produce and raise more cattle for more beef. This is because the demand for beef is so high in America and other countries. This eventually leads to deforestation, which has its own harmful effects. Deforestation is bad because it can lead to more climate change, floods, soil erosion, increased greenhouse gases, and many more harmful effects. Other than the goods and bads of eating beef, there are cultural impacts on the meats that humans consume. For example, in Asian countries, many families have a cow as a pet. And instead of eating beef, they eat dogs. Eating dogs is a lot more common in different parts of the world, but to us Americans, this sounds absurd. From many other different cultural standpoints, this is sometimes a tradition, and it can ward off bad luck. And to many of them, eating cows seems absurd. These cultures have already adapted to eating less beef, which has improved the environmental impacts, but not enough, or even close to enough. Thinking about the harmful effects of eating beef should be a common topic of discussion, but it is often ignored and overshined by its demand and its taste. Thank you.